A new national poll from the University of Michigan Health CS Mott Children's Hospital shows parents' biggest health concerns for their children involve technology and its impact on mental health. News 8's Kyle Mitchell spoke with the West Michigan group about these findings.
Sue, Protect Young Eyes advises parents about what they can do to keep kids safe, and they're not surprised so many have concerns.
The growing digital landscape can be overwhelming for parents to keep up with, especially after children spent more time in front of a screen during the pandemic.
I think what that proved to us is that connection doesn't equal health. Connection doesn't equal relationships. Like digital connection doesn't equal the type of connection that is fulfilling and life-giving. And so now parents are stepping back and going, wait a minute.
Chris McKenna is the founder and CEO of Protect Young Eyes, which provides tools to address safety with your kids.
Let's make decisions that are consistent with our concerns. It is possible to give our children access to devices that are talk, text, GPS. That doesn't also give them some of the baggage of some of the digital spaces that can be harmful to some kids.
A new University of Michigan Health CS Mott Children's Hospital poll points to technology and mental health as the top concerns of parents. 67% were concerned about their kids having too much screen time, followed by social media, internet safety, depression and suicide, and bullying. Stress and anxiety, unhealthy diet, costs of healthcare, school violence, along with smoking and vaping also fall in the top 10.
Whether you're a parent here or in some other country, this study plays out that, we have a lot of things that we're worried about right now.
McKenna says parents need to approach the topic with compassion and work together with their kids to address it.
That's not all their fault. We've created these technologies, we've given them their technologies, and the 14-year-old version of us would be just as hooked on it as they are.
He suggests using parental controls, monitoring what your kids are doing on devices, and more importantly, wants parents to have regular conversations.
You cannot control your children as the only form of parenting in the digital age. In my experience, that just turns your kids into a bunch of digital ninjas, and they're really good at what they do online.
And better regulation of technology is something McKenna says is needed.
It's not all on parents to get this right. That policies and companies also have a responsibility to get this right when it comes to kids.
If you want to learn more about how you can protect your kids, we've included a link in this story on woodtv.com. Sue.